this video clip, I'll be talking about wet pickup operations. When switching from dry to wet pickup operations, there's a couple procedures we need to go through first. Depress the side buttons and remove that motor housing from the tank. Next, we need to dump out any debris that may be inside the tank. After that, we need to remove the retaining ring that's holding our dry filter on and pull that dry filter off as well. And then just reassemble your unit. There's a couple things you need to do when you're finished with all wet pickup operations. First of all, you need to remove the foam sleeve and wash it out and clean it and let it dry completely. Next, you need to rinse out your tank, wash it out thoroughly, make sure to get any debris out from that. If you don't do this, if you leave wet material inside of there, within a couple days it's going to begin to smell really bad and you're going to get a lot of buildup of bacteria, and you'll probably have to replace your foam sleeve because that'll get pretty nasty.